I gotta tell you, there is this new DeepNote.com that you will like. This Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter compatible with real-time collaboration and running in the cloud, and it's free. So let's go and see it. And there you go. When you create your account, you will have your project here. You see I got one project here, start a project. Let's get into it, and you can see it. We got our you probably know Jupyter Notebook. You got these cells where you run some code. Here I got some text here that you can see here. It's in the markdown, and you can render it. Then there is the usual statement in Python, and you see here it's just a print statement with something in Italian here. So you run it and you can see it. Let me clear the output, and you run it and you see down here very fast. Then we have another cell here with a list with a multi-line string here and a copy of this multi-line string. Let's run it. Then I made a simple program here to transform this multi-line into a list with split lines. Let me clear the output and let me show it again. So this is the list that has been created out of this multi-line string. And then I made another simple program to extract questions. Let me clear the output, and let me add also a comment. You can get one or more questions until the list of questions goes to 0, and then the list is filled again with the questions. Okay, I'm gonna post it, and you see the comment is in here for other collaborator with you. Let me run it, and you see this prints out how many questions are there, 33, and the new question here that is taken randomly from here because I imported in random, and I used a random sample to get one question out of the list, and it created another list of question with just one. I can use also 2 or 3 here, and so here is the output, and here is how many questions are left. So, and you can also do your print here, and you can do your questions left in Italian. Okay, if I run it again, you see that it goes to 32 and 31 questions left. And okay, so it works pretty fine, so you can use it online. And I don't know if I can, for example, just get this questions, just put it in here, and eventually let me see if I close it like this and create a new, and I go click in this. If I go right into my code here, and I'm curious to see if I do run this again. You see I have the variable are still here. Okay, and here you see very useful. I got some, I do not use this one. I can delete this and this, run it again. You see 28, and you see questions, question 2, these are x. These are all the variables and all the values in here, and this is very useful. And this is also the command palette, very nice. It will be nice also to have a dark mode. There is also the terminal, Git service integration, very cool, and a lot of stuff in here. And you see 0% of CPU and 0.5 gigabyte of RAM, as you can see here. And here, okay, so very cool, and I think you can use it for a lot of things. Thank you and see you next time.